Hi everyone, today we are at Doubletree by Hilton where GROB, the premium machine builder, is organizing an event with their technical partners and here are machine makers to bring you some industry insights.
We provide the CNC machine, the fixture, the process. That's why we are here today with our partners to promote the technology and the solutions for our customers. At the end, we want to have a solution with a machine which definitely has the full package, including automation. If necessary, we can also supply from GROB to our customers.
This event by GROB was very interesting for me. It was interesting to see the latest technology updates from partners like GROB, like SolidCAM, like EMUGE-FRANKEN, how we can work together in the future, how we can work together in the Indian market. And especially now we have established our new company here in India just recently, and from the 1st of October we will be taking on a business from our own Schuessler India Pvt Ltd company.
So in this event that has been organized here with 4 very important partners in the machining world, I believe this event is extremely important. It's a pretty exciting time to be in, especially when our country is growing and we are seeing a lot of enthusiasm and buzz about machining.
So it was a very interesting seminar. I think the customers would appreciate when the machine guy, machine people, the CAM people and the tool people come together and they can show what magic can happen. I think more events like this will bring about awareness in the customers, the potential clients, and open new possibilities of machining in the Indian industry.